Whole roasted cauliflower with kale pesto. I have something to admit, for someone who is obsessed with kale, I have been a bit skeptical of kale pesto. I thought, how can kale pesto taste good? It doesn't have an exciting scent or taste like basil or mint, so how is it going to flavor a pesto? Well, after making one batch, I now have a whole new level of respect for kale. I'm not quite sure why it is, but kale pesto is crazy good. If you've been skeptical like me and haven't tried it, well, you must. And then you must smear it on this roasted cauliflower and eat it on Meatless Monday, or any day of the week. I'm certain you will be smitten. Note, I like to serve this with 1 cup of cooked millet, quinoa, or brown rice, topped with currants or raisins for nice sweet touch. Walnuts or pine nuts would make a nice addition as well. Serves 3 to 4. Cauliflower, 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. See olive oil. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon cumin. 1 pinch cayenne. 1 head cauliflower, green leaves removed. Pesto 1 bunch kale, ribs removed and chopped, about 3 c 1/4 c pine nuts 1 clove garlic, minced 1/2 teaspoon salt 1/4 c extra virgin olive oil 1. Make cauliflower, heat oven to 400 superscript OF. In small bowl, whisk oil, salt, cumin, cayenne, garlic, and lemon juice. Add black pepper to taste. 2. Place cauliflower on parchment-lined baking sheet. Brush marinade over cauliflower to cover, including underside. Pour extra over top. Roast until fork tender and starting to brown on top, about 45 minutes. 3. Make pesto. Bring water to a boil in large pot. Add kale to boiling water and blanch 2 minutes. Using slotted spoon or tongs, remove kale and transfer to ice bath. Let sit in ice bath 1 to 2 minutes, then strain and squeeze to get rid of excess moisture. 4. Place all pesto ingredients except oil in food processor and pulse a few times until everything is chopped. Add oil in slow stream until pesto is fully combined. Transfer to small bowl. 5. Place cauliflower on dish and top with about half of pesto and serve immediately. Serve with remaining pesto for dipping.